Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Chase Keebler, and I am the founder and managing attorney of Keebler Law Group. Today, I'm here to talk a little bit about our business litigation practice area and how we can help you and your corporate client. To kind of start off and give you kind of how we do the intake process, whenever a corporate client comes in, we really sit with them and map out a strategy for what is the best approach. Sometimes aggressive litigation from the forefront is the best approach to your litigation needs. And we can discuss that. We can discuss history with the possible vendor, possible disruptions to your business, if any. Really, it's a case-by-case analysis. Other times, we work with clients to kind of create a strategy and a system of events to occur in order to avoid litigation, yet still get the desired outcome that you want. And we have found that it's a successful way to get the desired result without having to air out a lot of corporate information in public filings. Again, we will walk you through kind of that strategy thought process and advise you on what we think is best to do. A little bit about the cases that we represent and the clients that we represent. So I represent clients both large and small. I have some Fortune 50 clients and clients of kind of that size. And I have sole proprietor clients that are more in kind of mom and pop type businesses. Now, these larger corporate clients, my primary practice areas include antitrust litigation. We represent them as corporate plaintiffs, and we will opt them out of these antitrust class actions. And these are for market allocation allegations, for price fixing, for bid rigging. We also represent corporate clients bringing state statute claims under the unfair business and trade practices statutes for particular jurisdictions. I've represented clients who are facing shareholder derivative suits, as well as land use suits, right? So eminent domain or a dispute with your neighbor. I have experience in North and South Carolina handling those types of land use cases. But really, like I said, I'd like to be on the plaintiff side and helping build corporate recovery programs. And that's sort of another segue into more information that I'm hoping to create soon on how corporations can structure and build a corporate recovery program. I'm really looking forward to that type of information. And if you're interested in learning more about offensive or corporate recovery programs, please feel free to leave me a comment or reach out to me, and I'm happy to kind of discuss what I know so far. A little bit about my practice area. I am licensed in North Carolina and South Carolina. That is primarily where my business litigation cases are. However, my larger antitrust cases and my class action opt-out cases, typically these are in MDLs or multi-district litigations, and those are throughout the entire country, largely dependent on perhaps where a defendant is, where a class initially filed. It could be for a variety of reasons, but I represent clients in these opt-out antitrust litigations all throughout the country. And if your client or your company thinks that you have a possible opt-out claim, I'm more than happy to sit with you and provide you an analysis on what I think is the best approach, whether you should opt out or stay in the class. But I really appreciate you getting to know a little bit more about my business litigation practice and how I can possibly help you. If you have any questions or would like to request additional information, or if you have a possible case, please feel free to reach out to me, fill out a contact form, send me an email. My email address is chase@keeblerlawgroup.com. Again, I really appreciate you taking the time to get to know my practice area a little bit more. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All right, thanks.